Good morning, it's Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Wolf Creek truck camper. It's a model 850, it's for the long beds. Come on in, I'm going to show you this nice aluminum structured camper. This particular unit is for a nice small family. Right here you got an optional bunk, or you can fold this up. Also got storage in here. This will fold down and drop into a bed, or you got a nice dinette. You got your wet bath. Do it all in one in there. Then you got your 3-burner cooktop, your microwave, oven for little pizzas, and then you got full extending drawers. Nice large stainless steel sink. More storage above here. You got your refrigerator. Come on in. And then up here you got your bed. Got storage above on both sides. All your controls here. This does have a solar panel on the roof. Here's your charging station with your stereo, your Bluetooth. Got your ladder to your roof. It's a full walk-on roof. Got your power awning. Got your 2 propane tanks. That's where your batteries go. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Wolf Creek 850, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.